Are you in need of a trusted daycare provider for your children? Setting the right foundation for children early on is critical. You need a provider that is going to keep your children safe, as well as offer a loving and nurturing environment. Don't panic and trust the care of your children to just anyone. When it's your kids that we're talking about, you need to make sure that you're dealing with a daycare provider that has the knowledge and experience to care for your children. We would love to offer a place for your children to actually look forward to attending. Our services include close supervision of your children provided by experienced staff members, healthy food choices, an educational curriculum, as well as the opportunity to grow their social skills in a guided environment by playing with other children. We would love to speak with you and share more about our program. You can reach us by following the directions on this page. We look forward to hearing from you.